Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review this product Roborock, and this is a product like robotic you can say vacuum cleaner. So you should purchase this product on this website or not, and what are the problems. So let's get started. First of all, we need to check their contact information. So as you can see, this is the website of their official website, and on this official website they have provided each and every information on the website, and the website is looking very good. And they have also a Amazon store because this product is also available on amazon.com. so this is also a very good thing about the products of Roborock. So they have also provided each and every information on their website. So this is a very good indication about the website. And in the terms of website authentication, the website is 22 years from now, and all indications are looking very good, and all the methods, or you can say they have provided, and all the products as they have shown in their pictures and all. So each and everything is mentioned on the website, like very good quality products and very good kind of product they are selling right now. So yes, if you have so much money, then you can make a purchase of this kind of robotic cleaner. There is no doubt about the website, but you can make a purchase. If you are not able to purchase any product on this website, then you can also make a purchase on amazon.com. okay, so this is a review of Roborock. If you are facing an issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.